All right, so I was telling you that I ordered a network switch, and so it came in today. The cameras were amazing. The cameras work. They watch the front of the house, and so as soon as the as soon as the mailman came, it recognized them and like everything. So it was great. Everything is working great. I'm excited. Gives me that sense of security that I never have had, other than getting protection for the house. Now it lets me calm down a little bit, not worry about every little noise in the house and stuff. So that's awesome, and I just wanted to update you guys on that. So I'm gonna switch the camera around to show you the. So here it is. Here is the network switch. A lot smaller, honestly, than I thought. So it's Netgear. I trust Netgear. I've used Netgear for years and years. I've used a mixture, of course, of Linksys and Netgear, just with what's available. So I can open it. Should be able to just open it with one hand. So, wow, it's way smaller. It's even smaller. Alright, so here's the power cable here. It's like super small. Wow. I don't know what I expected. I guess I'm expecting something like the 80 maybe or something. But here it is. Here's the network switch. It's like all metal. Okay, so I can put it on the wall and everything. So here it is. What's that? So this is, I guess, to fasten it to a desk or whatnot, so no one can steal it. Let's see, so power, all the adapters. So, I don't really know. I think maybe the first one is the one that receives the internet connection. Possibly. I have no idea. I'm gonna look at the booklet and figure it out. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this. Hopefully it was a pretty good video. Not too much information, it's just trying to show you what I just got. So I'm gonna hook this up, try it out, see how it works and stuff like that. I will catch you later. Make sure you hit the like button. The other parts of the upgrade videos are coming soon, so it's here. Yeah, it's not on yet, so don't worry about the boxes. Yes, heat rises and stuff like that. It's not completely done yet, so we're just waiting. Alright, so we got the processors in. We got some more risers because we ran out of risers. So I'm just here on the floor right now setting up the 1050s. These four didn't have risers because ran out, and then now I gotta put in a processor. But let's just go ahead and finish putting on the risers, and then the processor, plug up the processor. Put in the processors and should be good. Power supplies are hooked up already to the motherboard, so I think that's really it. Like this rig should be fine. I gotta take the plastic off of here. And then I think this one is hooked up. Yeah, I think they're all hooked up actually. One power supply, yeah, two and then three, yeah. We're gonna order another power supply, but we don't know if we need to get a 1,000 watt or 600 watt right now, or 650 or 750 or whatever. We don't know yet. I won't know until I actually hook these up, because it's the big ones that's gonna be the factor, whether or not these two power supplies are gonna hold up all of these GPUs. It should, because I think someone runs like 2,000 1,000 watt power supplies, and it's overkill. So these two power supplies should work, but we'll find out. 1050's done. The cables weren't cooperating. I'm probably gonna take those apart and then flip them to curl correctly. But this one's it's not even gonna be up until I get those other processors in, because these still need the risers need power. So and this one is not gonna hold it. I still have to power these two anyway. So yeah. All right, so I have the CPU in there, fan on it. I'm about to zip tie these together, probably loosely, pull these out some and then zip tie them together. Got this side zip tied. It's cable management. I know, don't worry about it. Let's see. So then I'll work on this one. I mean, this is definitely not how I want it, but I have to get it up running. I ended up having to use one of these, the Molex to SATA. What I'll do is probably pull just one cable from down here up, because this one does not need 750 watts. So what I'll do is probably pull one cable up and then put it onto maybe one of these. But we'll see. We'll see. Got a temperature gauge, and so a thermostat thing, whatever, to radar it, see if this is even getting hot at all under full load. So we'll see. It's not in the high temp area, so we'll see. We'll see. I don't want my house burning down, so we're gonna check and make sure everything's good. All right. So I hit the power switch. Gee, you scared me. Hit the power switch, and these two motherboards are on. This one here, and then this one down there. But this one isn't on. So that probably means that the power supply isn't on. Or it's not plugged. It might not even be plugged up. This one's running off of this one here. Yeah, I actually didn't check this one. And so we're gonna find this switch first. All right, so now the both of the top ones are on. All right, and then that one's on. Also, the bottom one still, like I said, has work to be done. But those are the three that are powered up. We got 3 power supplies, 3 rigs. We're gonna see how it goes. But this is only a 8-card setup up here. Like I was saying though, the reason why it's 8 cards is because I am going to expand on the 1080 rig, and I don't want to have to basically undo all of this, move everything around and so forth to get it working, because the faster I can get another card in and running, the better. So yeah, I think we're good. What I might end up doing is bringing a card this way, and moving those one step backwards. And but we'll see. If that's the case, then I'll have to redo it. But likely I'll just run the cards the opposite way on this side. and then flip the whole rig around or something. But this is gonna stay here for long. So let's just get it going. Hopefully we'll see. All right. So these are on, so you can see them flashing. At first I thought it was I thought it went off. They came on. They're on. That one's on at least. They're glowing in the back. All right, so those two are glowing. I don't know. Let's check. Let's go around. Let me take it off. All right, so I don't know how to check and see if the Founder Edition is on. I'm not really sure. I don't see any LEDs. So I don't know if this one's on, but we'll see. Right, so this Ethernet cable didn't work. The one that I had, the gray one, one of the ones that I made. These two are working. That one's working, and this one's working. I still haven't turned these other two rigs on yet. I want to make sure that the cars are doing what they're supposed to. So we're just gonna wait a little bit. Hopefully it's just gonna install all the drivers and pull it off of the flash drive. I'll know when it's running because it's gonna be pretty loud. I already know the 1080s are loud, so I'm pretty sure. I guess I gotta hook up a monitor, see what's going on. But they seem to be running. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and pop this one on. There we go. Look like the wire got stuck in the way. Well, you can hear these. So this one's not on. That one's not on. That one's on. And that one's on. So the Vegas. Oh, look at that. That's dope. All right, so they're on. This light is what? Oh, okay. So there's a white light back there. Back there behind this thing, and the green one. So green is good. Green is always good. You know, I didn't even check. So these fans aren't on. So these aren't even on. Oh, this one on. So that one's on. Oh, these have, I think, let's check. These have the fan ones. The fan stop. Yeah, I think those are fan stop. But, so those are on though. So that's good. They're getting power. Vegas loud already. So what I'll do now, and then this looked like there's a problem. That was orange and red. That was orange and green. Let's go down here, pop this one on. All right, so that was yellow back, orange back there. Oh, it's off. It went off. That light. So the light should turn back on, turn green. It's white now. Boom. All right, so that's good. It had internet. It was green. Let's go over here. They're all on. All right, so all the internet's on. All right. I don't know what red is. Oh, but those both have over here. They're one, but that's fine because one of my rigs have the one light on anyway. So I think that's okay. We're gonna find out. So they're all on. The rigs start up. They're not shutting off, which is good. Let's check. Oh, let me see. 49 watts. 44? 44? Alright, so that was 40, that was 44, so I'm gonna let them run and go check on Simple Mining and see if that changes anything, see if that says anything different. Then I'm gonna bring a monitor over here and check all these, because what it is probably is it's probably saying that it needs to turn off the onboard memory or onboard graphics or something. All right.